Well, I'm glad you've come back. This is a good sign. I've got a slightly better image this time, but I still haven't quite worked it out, so you'll just have to keep bearing with me. Right now I'm working from section 2.1 of our textbook, and we're going to look at common multiples. Okay, so let's have a look at a question like number 6. Okay, so the first 6 multiples of 6, let's list those. This is a revision. 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then the first 4 multiples of 9. So 9, 18, 3 times 9 is 27, and 4 times 9 is 36. Okay, now question C is the first 2 common multiples of 6 and 9. So which are the first 2 numbers that we find in the list of multiples of 6 and the multiples of 9? So I can see 18, that's the first common multiple, and then the next is 36. And if we kept listing our multiples, obviously we'd have more common multiples as well. Okay? So question D says the lowest common multiple of 6 and 9. Now this is something very special. It's called the LCM, and this is useful for fractions especially. So lowest common multiple of 6 and 9 was that first number that we saw in both lists, so that's 18. And the third common multiple of 6 and 9, which is part E, well, we don't know that yet. First, we've got the first 2, so of course we'd have to keep listing our multiples until we found the next one. So 6 times 6 was 36, 6 times 7 is 42, and I know that that's not a 9 times table, so let's keep going. 6 times 8 is 48, that's not a 9 times table. And 6 times 9 is 54, well that's definitely a 9 times table. Whoops, I've run off my page. So if we did the next multiple of 9, we'd get 45, and then 54. So there we have it. 54 is our third, oops, oh, I get to practice using my eraser. 54 is the third common multiple of 9 and 5.